How to delete Google Photos permanently from your phone. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to delete Google Photos permanently from your phone. First, open the Photos app on your mobile device. Then, select the photos you want to delete and tap on the delete icon. Now, tap on Got it if prompted. Here, tap on Allow to confirm the deletion. Next, go to the Library tab located at the bottom right corner of the screen. Here, tap on Trash to view all the deleted photos. Then select the photos again and tap on Delete to permanently remove them from your device. And that's it. You have successfully deleted Google Photos permanently from your phone. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified of new videos. See you in the next one.